welcome back to my family's channel. This is Happy Healthy Vegans. I'm Stephanie, and today I'm making a dish called keuy teow. Teow? I'm butchering that. It's a Chinese dish that a friend of mine, Coral Yogini, has, which I also think I used to say her last name wrong. Sorry. She made and suggested that I make on my channel, and she's going to be making something out of mine on her channel, so we're supporting each other. And yeah, so let's go. Okay, so we're going to start off with a block of firm. I have firm. She suggests extra firm, but the store I went to didn't have any, so I have firm tofu. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of chili powder, and a teaspoon of turmeric to my block of tofu. Then I'm going to mash it together, basically making like a scramble. Mash this up. Okay, now that that is all mashed up, I'm going to add another teaspoon of turmeric and then a tablespoon of mushroom dark soy sauce. Tablespoon. Did I say teaspoon? Tablespoon. Mix this in, and then we're going to get it on the oven to cook. Looks good. Okay, I have this on my stove top. Turn this on to about medium heat. And then I'm going to add 1 spring onion and cook this for a few minutes. Okay, this is almost done. I'm going to put it on a plate and set it aside. Here's my plate of tofu reserve. And by the way, I added too much of the dark mushroom soy sauce. It's supposed to be a teaspoon. I put a tablespoon. Sorry. Now I'm going to add a little bit of oil into my pan. I'm going to fry up. Oh, sorry. 10 cloves of garlic I have here. Let's cook these up for a minute or two. Until they start to brown a little bit. Shouldn't be too long. Have it on low heat, believe it or not, sizzling away. And once these are done, I'm also going to put it on the same plate with the tofu and get out my wok. I was going to do everything in this pan, but kind of realized that this pan's going to be too small, so I should have just got the wok out to begin with. Silly me. Alright, I'm going to let these finish up. Okay, this garlic is done. Look at that. It's like fried up nicely. I'm going to put this aside and get my wok ready. Okay, my wok is ready, and now I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of regular light soy sauce. Light soy sauce or regular soy sauce. I have regular. And 1 tablespoon of the dark mushroom soy sauce. Heat that up. And while that's heating, I'm going to show you. So the noodles were supposed to be the keuy teow noodles that you can buy, but I couldn't find them, so I ended up getting just Udon. Don instant Japanese style udon noodles to put. So I've used 600 grams of that. So it ended up being, came in a 4-pack, so I ended up using 3 packs. So I'm going to that up. I'll put my noodles in. Mix it up. So it's all soaking up the soy sauces. Smells good. Okay, this has been soaking up and cooking for a few minutes. I'm just going to now add in the reserved garlic and tofu scramble that I made already. Mix this up and let it cook for another few minutes. So this dish doesn't actually take all that long. I just had to press my tofu for probably about 20 minutes while I chopped up my 10 cloves of garlic. And yeah, and this is almost done. So this is, see, it's all soaked up, the soy sauce. Now I'm going to be adding bean sprouts. She suggests 2 handfuls. I'm going to be putting probably more than that, or 2 big. Actually, the whole package. Why not? My son loves this, so maybe a lot of bean sprouts. So I'm going to let this cook up for a few minutes. Still want the bean sprouts to be kind of slightly crunchy. You don't want them to wither away, so you're not going to cook it for too long. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, so I think my tofu and noodles really soaked up the moisture in here, so I'm going to add some water to help it cook and then put the lid on. There we go. And now let it go for a few minutes. That looks better. It smells really good. Let's put the lid on and we're going to let this kind of steam up a little bit. Okay guys, here is my finished keuy teow? I don't know how to say it. Sorry, Coral. It smells so good, and my son here is going to come try it with me. Here's your fork.
I'm not trying jalapeno.
You don't have to have the jalapeno. I'm gonna have jalapeno.
Whoa, that looks good. That looks really good.
Yeah.
Can I try it?
Yeah.
Oh my god. That is good. The flavor, everything about it is perfect. That tastes so good.
He's right.
That is like heaven.
Good job. Good recipe, Carl.
The best dinner you've made in a while.
Good? Okay, here, take it.
I'm going.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the recipe, Carl. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye.